Former President Uhuru Kenyatta joined Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and a host of prominent leaders in Naivasha to celebrate the union of Kalonzo's daughter, Damari Sada Kalonzo, and Martin Yaga in a grand wedding ceremony. The former president attended the event accompanied by his close allies, Jubilee Party Secretary General Jeremiah Kiani and former Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa. Among other notable attendees were Machakos Governor Wavinya Ndeti and former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu, showcasing the political and social prominence of the event. In a heartfelt gesture, Uhuru wished the newlyweds love, grace, and prosperity as they embarked on their marital journey. Kalonzo, in turn, expressed his gratitude for Uhuru's presence, highlighting the deep bond and solidarity between their families. While the occasion was a celebration of love, the gathering did not escape political interpretation. Kalonzo's strategic position in Kenya's evolving political landscape, particularly as speculation grows about his alignment ahead of the 2027 elections, adds an intriguing layer to the event. The sight of Uhuru, a key figure in Kenya's political past, standing alongside Kalonzo comes at a time when the latter is seen as a pivotal player in the opposition's future strategy. Observers have noted Kalonzo's possible maneuvering towards a union with former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who was impeached by President William Ruto's allies as part of his 2027 ambitions. Could Uhuru's appearance signify tacit support for Kalonzo's political plans? While no overt political statements were made, the optics of such an influential figure attending a private event could hint at a broader alignment. The close relationship between Kalonzo and Uhuru has long been evident, and this event only reinforced their camaraderie. Kalonzo's gratitude for Uhuru's friendship and solidarity underscored the enduring bond between the two, which could have implications for Kenya's political future. If Kalonzo indeed aims to form a coalition involving Gachagua, Uhuru's presence may be seen as a signal to other political stakeholders. As a seasoned statesman, Uhuru's tacit approval or involvement could lend credibility and influence to such plans. This wedding celebration highlights how Kenya's personal and political spheres often intersect. The presence of prominent leaders at social events has long been a staple in the country's political culture, where allegiances and partnerships can take shape in both formal and informal settings. For Kalonzo, this event provided an opportunity to showcase his personal and political relationships, reinforcing his position as a key figure in Kenya's opposition. For Uhuru, it signaled his continued relevance in the political scene, even after leaving office. As Kenya inches closer to the 2027 elections, such gatherings will continue to fuel speculation about alliances and strategies. Whether or not this event directly impacts the political landscape remains to be seen, but it undoubtedly adds another layer of intrigue to the unfolding drama of Kenyan politics.